Hi everyone, this is Megan, and I just had really quick wanted to show you what I discovered. I used to have this like clear jelly stuff that I'd coat the end of my pliers with, but we left it out and it kind of dried up. I don't know if the cap was left off or it just got old, but I was going to be wire wrapping some stuff this weekend and really needed a pair that would not like mar the wire. So I thought that I would try to use Mold Builder. It's latex, and so I dipped these. These are just cheapy pliers. I didn't want to coat my real ones until I knew. I coated the tips of the pliers twice. Once, let it dry, then one more time and let it dry again. And then I coated the latex with some cornstarch and to take the stickiness away. And it works so good. It's way better than that stuff that you can buy just for, that purpose. It's on there nice and tight. I've tried it with wire and I mean, it's on there good. So I thought maybe that might help somebody. And if you don't know what Mold Builder is, you can find it near the resin in Michael's. It's by Casting Craft. So it comes in this nice big bottle, but you can use it for molds and to coat your pliers. So my next step is to coat my really good ones. So you have to excuse my desk. It is a total disaster. I've been playing all night. Thought maybe I'd show you some pieces. This one's drying. I don't want to move it. But that. And I've been playing with my kind of steampunky pieces, trying to figure out how I like them. And I made some little baby flowers. Got watch gears, and then I've been working on my Hello Kitties. Ugh, light's bad. Let me show you one of these. Let me try to move this light around. She's all painted up. They haven't been recoated yet, but I painted a gun with a cheetah print.